Time to test fit this bad boy on that bad boy. Let's see what happens.
Many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new.
What's up, y'all? We're good now. We have battery life, so we'll work on this little video here. So as we get into it, I have a super dope James Wood Racing t-shirt. So my friends over at Tobu Garage basically wanted to make an FC shirt with my car. See? That's my car. That's my car. That's my car. That's my car. And then have the nice little James Wood logo on the side. And they have Tobu Garage over here. So they made this shirt to essentially help well, they gotta make money, so they are making some money, and then they're giving me some of the profits to build the engine and the FC. Website here in the description somewhere. Go support the homies, help support me, help make this thing have an engine. So I appreciate all the help from you guys, all the support. So as we know, it's been 3 months since I've put out a video, so I'm well aware I've been slacking, but we still have no engine. What good news is, as far as the engine goes, the housings are ported. The irons are, I think, almost ported. I know the center iron was ported yesterday. And then the rotating assembly is balanced, and everything is pretty much good to go. So once all the irons are ported, Miles will start stacking the engine and putting it together, and we're getting there. So we haven't had much update on the car. Well, I haven't, which is why I haven't really done any videos, because I mean, it's just been sitting there like that for months. What's up, y'all? It is a wee bit cold outside, so I'm not sure how long this video is going to last, but we're going to show some things. We have some RX-7 things, we have some truck things, we have important things. So I guess kind of to start it out, I don't daily the S2000 anymore, so your boy finally picked up a truck. Here she is. It is a 07 F350 with 118,000 miles on it. Bought it for a steal. This is the one I've been towing with for races for a few years, and now it's mine. So we had to replace all the cab mounts on it. Last weekend I cut and buffed the whole thing so it looks like blue and shiny, and you can see some flake in the paint and stuff, which is pretty rad. Replaced the tow mirrors, I did the speakers, some other stuff I have planned. I have a new grill that's sitting upstairs that I'll do later. But we have a tow truck. I mean, it's a pretty rad tow truck. So we have our keypad thing at the track, so no one has to have keys. Full leather everywhere. It's a Lariat. The steering wheel's disgusting. I would like to change that. I don't know if I can get like another Ford factory wheel and make that be something else, but we'll find out. Yeah, it is a 6-liter Power Stroke. Been pretty good so far. Has new injectors. It's an 07, so it's like the best of the 6.0s apparently. There she is. Little Terpsky in the back. Fresh batteries. It needs some work, needs some love, but you know, it'll be a good little daily and truck. I stole the S2000. It's sitting at my parents' house. It'll be there for a hot minute. But now Ty has a diesel. I have a diesel. And yeah, pretty super stoked about this thing. Should be really rad. I'm excited. Gotta do some work to it, but overall, just pretty good. Now that we've talked about our truck, we can move on to the race car. So nothing much has changed over here since y'all have seen it. We still have no engine. Miles is working on building the engine currently. It is, let's see, all of our parts are there for the engine. We got everything there except competition main bearings. Mazda had those on back order. They're currently sitting in the port of LA. Once they get through customs, they will ship them out to us. So we have everything we need except for main bearings. So I know all the porting's been done. I'll post some pictures somewhere in here. All the peripheral porting has been done. Everything is ready. Actually, I think Miles still has to port the plates. Maybe he has to do that. But he's going to Mosmart to go balance my rotating assembly, I think next week. So that'll be pretty rad. And hopefully we'll get this engine in a hot minute, in a wee bit. But in the meantime, let me show you a part. So we got a new race car part, which we're gonna kind of mock up today, test fit, see how it goes. So let's get the car in the air. So on to our new part reveal. This has been something you guys, the internet, have asked many times when I'll get one. So backstory, we were hanging out with John the other day and he had this piece laying around for years. It's kind of broken. He doesn't need it. So now it's my piece. So here's what we get. This is I believe, dry carbon diffuser. I know it's off a radical, but it is dry carbon. It's broken. It's been repaired numerous times, which we've seen. We got some cracks kind of back here. Wee crack there. Much bigger crack here. We can fix that with some fiberglass and whatnot, but we have a carbon fiber diffuser. So there's a lot of math that goes into making this work well. And basically, from what these smart people tell me, is we want the diffuser at this magical 7-degree angle. It needs to be parallel to the road and flush the car. So that's what we gotta do. Shouldn't be too hard, right? So I kind of test fit it earlier, just before I started filming, just to see if it would even work, and it does. But the problem is, that exhaust right there has got to go. So I'm gonna pull the exhaust off, then we'll kind of mount this up, see how far forward it comes, and then kind of just look at our mounting points and see where we'll be. But yeah, this thing is rad. Like, so nice. Very cool. All the carbon fiber. We're gonna paint it black because it's gonna get repaired and look nice, gross, but I'll know it's carbon fiber and you will know it's carbon fiber, so that'll be cool. But let's get under the car, pull the exhaust off, and yeah, we'll kind of throw this thing on there and see where we're at. So does anybody need a James Wood Racing masterpiece of this exhaust? We have a collected flange for an RB road race header. There's your O2 bung. Then I made this little straight piece, welded it to this, and honestly I don't even know where the fuck this came from. This was like on the car. I don't know who made it, but goes into a Dynamax. Got some really gross ass welds on it. Pretty sure the muffler doesn't exist anymore, it's just hollow, but you know, you guys heard my car. It sounded kind of cool. So, if anybody wants it, it's free. Probably keep it for a week and then I'm going to trash it. But, it's up for grabs for sure. Time to test fit this bad boy on that bad boy. Let's see what happens. Would you all just look at that truck? Look at that beautiful, beautiful truck. So pretty. We got Harrison. We got a diffuser. So let's see, I gotta get back. So I got our bucket stand here. I think the rules state the diffuser can be 5 inches back off the car, which we're in the clear of that, but actually I just realized that wing is not 5 inches. Well, I guess it kind of depends on what you want to claim as 5 inches. We could say the leading edge is 5 inches off the car and just completely ignore the rear. So it's possible we could just get away with bringing this back more and making it even to the wing. But we have our little boy on. If you see in there, we're gonna have to like chop this kind of side off because it looks like we might hit the shock, and then we might have to cut the front to be legal for class. But I mean, it's pretty rad. It's broken. It's carbon fiber, and it looks fancy. You get your diffuser finally. And we don't have to make shit. Yeah. We just have to fix broken shit, which I think is way easier.
Yeah. Oh, less work.
Because it's like the wing. We just get the not the mat, but the cloth.
Or we can use either chop strand mat, or like in the gaps we'd probably use chop strand mat and then just cloth over it. There's plenty of cloth though in there.
Okay, you've got cloth. You got enough cloth?
No, we should. We have like a few different weights of cloth. I think there's some 2K in there. That's like the really thick stuff.
What do we do, thick boy stuff?
We'll probably start with the lighter stuff and then just reinforce the shit out of it, because it's a pretty big crack on either side.
Yeah, this side's pretty fucking rough.
And you're not really going to see too much of
you can see
it, so.
Right in there. So okay, so we'll fix it. I'm thinking we'll use this mounting bar, lines up perfectly for going to the tire well, so we'll keep that. The exhaust, we have a perfect pocket for an exhaust right there.
It's a huge tunnel too. Like
we can just go on your side, but just go fucking, you know, like right out this way. Yeah, I think this will mount very nicely, for sure. So yeah, we got a carbon diffuser, kids. Gonna be rad. We got a truck. It's so nice. Fucking mint. I like how this thing looks. It's like a little small, but it kind of works out.
Yeah, I mean, it's not hard to lengthen.
Like,
you sand, cut it down the middle.
Yeah.
And then sand the edges and lay carbon in between and sandwich it. You'd probably want the PVC supports though, for sure.
Yeah, we won't fuck with that. We'll just fix it and put it on there.
Yeah.
Because that seems like it'll be the easiest method of going about this in a simple way. Alright, that's it for this video. Remember y'all, go pick up a shirt from Tobu Garage. I will put their website here in the description somewhere. Go support the homies, help support me, help make this thing have an engine. So, I appreciate all the help from you guys, all the support. And sorry for the delay in videos, but it's kind of hard to make videos when this is broken and I don't have the engine and I can't do any of the work, so I'm trying. But we'll have some updates. As I said, splitter, fire suppression system. Oh yeah, we're gonna put underglow and some hot boy ricer shit on this thing, so stay tuned. I'm hoping to get that stuff done the next couple weeks, and we'll have some more content coming to you guys. We'll maybe even touch the truck. I don't know. The world is our oyster. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch y'all later. Bye.